Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If your spayed female is experiencing vaginal discharge that contains blood, she may be suffering from vaginal inflammation or vaginitis. Additional symptoms of vaginitis include frequent urination or difficulty urinating. Your dog may also lick her vulvar area more frequently and scoot her bottom across the floor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Many owners notice their dogs self-clean their genitals, but there will be times you may need to clean them yourself. Female dogs in heat might require a gentle wipe, and male dogs might require a cleaning every so often as well, but mostly due to playtime dirt and not for health or sanitary reasons.
Take our lead.
These can include a recurrent urinary tract infection, bladder stones, an abnormality with the bladder wall, or other urinary tract disease. Most of these diseases can be controlled or cured with the appropriate treatment. It may take specialized testing to diagnose the underlying issue.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are two methods to prevent estrus, or heat, in a female dog: surgery, ovariohysterectomy, spaying, recommended. Medical management using hormonal drugs, not recommended very often due to risks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.